On today's episode of F&F Fix and Find Out, we're going to see if we can repair this Dyson DC07 vacuum cleaner that has an issue that I'm not entirely sure we can fix without buying new parts. But hey, we're going to F&F and find out. I picked this thing up 6 years ago off the side of the road. It needed a belt replacement and it works awesome. Well, that is until a few weeks ago when I noticed this issue with the hose. You can see it's now Bluetooth. I can't use the hose feature of the vacuum. So let's see if we can take this thing apart and fix it. It looks like they do sell them, but hey, we're gonna see if we can beat Amazon's 2-day shipping and fix it right now in the shop. So to take this thing apart, pull the hose out, separate the base like so. And then on here, there's a little button to unlock. Push that in, and now we've separated the hose. And every video I've seen wants you to replace this whole assembly, but with the brake being right here, I'm sure that we could probably just take this cap off, cut that bad section of hose, and then just reinsert it. So let's see before we waste money on a brand new hose. I think if we just push these two black tabs in, this whole bottom will come loose, and then we can just cut and then reinsert. Just lightly put it in here, and then try the screwdriver method first. Just grab both ends and see what happens. Doesn't want to play nice. Okay, let's see if this idea works. I'm wondering if we use these hose clamp pliers and just try and grab both ends, pinch it like that. Not working. Nope, didn't seem like that would work, but what if we try a really big screwdriver? Now I might be starting to understand why they suggest you replace the whole hose unit, but come on. Sometimes you gotta do some crazy, stupid things. Oh wait, I think it worked. Okay, that came out and that came out. Well, maybe we can fix this yet. There we go. And I think we just need to wrap that wire all around this, click it back in, and we should be good. So put this back, lining the lock here. Then I think there's 2 springs that go in here. Maybe there's just one, I only see one, but put one there. Press it and get it into, I'm guessing it goes probably right there. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. I'll see if there's another one lying around, but I think there's only one. It probably doesn't matter, but for redundancy's sake and everything's apart, see what I have. And a lot of these I have kept from like pens and just random little things. So let's see if I have one that might work. Get this one right here. Yeah, I think that one will work just great. And make sure before you put the new end in or the cleaned end that there's no breaks further down, otherwise you're gonna have to do this all again. And then cut your good piece. think we did it. Let's reassemble. Make sure the tabs are facing out. Okay. Very good. Align this tab here with that socket. Now to put it back, just slide it through. And there you go. Well, did we fix it? Let's find out. An hour's worth of time and I saved about 25 bucks and didn't have to wait. Yeah, I probably wouldn't do this for a customer, but hey, for myself, learned a few things, fixed it for free. I'm happy.